Help your team create their best work ever on one communication platform using Office 365 with Skype for Business. With all new collaboration tools, your company has access to the most comprehensive Office 365 offering ever. With Skype for Business, Sarah Davis gets instant messaging, audio and video calls, online meetings, and sharing, all in one app. Sarah's contacts are the online identities of the people she communicates with frequently within her organization, and outside of it if they have a Skype account. Sarah can find and connect with her friends and colleagues by doing a simple search of the Skype directory. Sarah can then add them to her contacts list, so they'll be just a click away. Skype for Business Groups are collections of contacts that Sarah can create to bring together similar contacts. She can see several contacts in her display at a glance, or communicate with them all at one time. Sarah can delete a group as easily as she creates one. Sarah's conversation history shows all the instant messages sent to and received from her contacts or groups, including missed conversations. She also has access to details of any calls that she has made or received over Skype. The Meetings view lets Sarah quickly check her upcoming meetings for the day without having to go to her calendar. She can even join a Skype meeting right from the Meetings tab. Sarah can keep track of her coworkers through presence indicators. The three most common are green for available, red for busy, and yellow for away. Skype for Business changes these indicators based on activity and Outlook schedules. Sarah can see more information beside her contacts' names. Garth is on vacation, and Anne is in a meeting. If Sarah signs out of Skype for Business, she will appear offline like Garth. Sarah can set her presence manually, which is helpful when she's busy and doesn't want to be disturbed. On the contact card, Sarah can see Bonnie's availability, where she's located and her phone number. Sarah can also send Bonnie email from here or schedule a meeting. Sarah can update work contact information and can add personal information, such as a birthday, to her copy of Bonnie's contact card. Sarah can also change Bonnie's name so it'll appear in her contacts list as a nickname or other personalized name. When Sarah pins Bonnie's contact card to her desktop, the card remains open, so she can quickly view Bonnie's information or contact her. To unpin the card, she simply clicks the pin button again. Sarah can start communicating with her colleagues from anywhere she sees a contact in Skype for Business and in Office applications. On the contact card, Sarah has access to a number of communications methods, including IM. Skype for Business Instant Messaging is an efficient way for Sarah to connect with her contacts in real time and on a moment's notice. With a drag and a drop, Sarah can bring anyone into an instant message conversation. At the bottom of the IM window are controls that allow anyone in the instant message to start a video call or call. Once a meeting is in progress, Sarah can always invite more people if needed. While in her conference, Sarah can mute her call, place it on hold, or transfer the call. And because Sarah's account is enabled for video calls, she can make face-to-face calls with Bonnie and Alex. All she needs is a camera and an audio device, whether that's her computer speakers and a microphone or a headset. With Call Monitor, Sarah can use a full Skype for Business window when she's actively participating in the call. If she needs to focus on other tasks, a compact window lets her continue to monitor call progress and mute or end the call. To show the full conversation window again, Sarah simply double-clicks the Call Monitor. Sarah always needs to take notes in her meetings. Because she uses OneNote, Skype for Business lets her take private notes or add shared notes that she can co-edit with participants. Shared notes have to be in a location that attendees can access, like OneDrive or SharePoint. Attendees must have permission to open and edit them. Sarah and her team can co-author and edit OneDrive content while in a meeting or instant message conversation. Everyone who participates in the co-authoring session sees changes being made to the document in real time. Sarah can also present her ideas visually through PowerPoint presentations. Skype for Business brings the power of instant messaging, audio and video calls, online meetings, and sharing into one app. Keep your organization connected and productive with the new Skype for Business collaboration tools, part of the new capabilities now in Office 365.